Welcome to Diabetes Every Day. I'm registered dietitian and certified diabetes care and education specialist, Toby Smithson. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and sign up for my newsletter on diabeteseveryday.com. I bet at one time or another you have experienced looking for a recipe but not really finding a certain recipe that is diabetes friendly. Well, that happened to me when I was searching for a diabetes friendly overnight oats recipe. I even checked websites that are diabetes specific, like the American Diabetes Association, but I still didn't find a recipe that fit my preferences. Just a note here to some of you who reached out for a plant-based and or foods that you can prepare ahead of time. This overnight oats recipe fits both of those asks. Oh, and for those of you who are chocolate fans like me, I developed this recipe so it would have a chocolatey taste. And most important for all of us who manage our diabetes, I've checked this recipe out against my Dexcom continuous glucose monitor, and this recipe keeps my blood sugar steady. Yes, I'm eating oats, but not spiking my blood sugar. Okay, let's get to the recipe. The ingredients, which are easy to keep as staples in your kitchen, are 1 cup steel cut oats. As an extra tip here, check the nutrition facts panel for the amount of carbs and fiber per serving, as they vary. I found a 4 to 5 gram difference when I put some labels side by side at the grocery store. 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons stevia naturals, 1 packet vanilla protein powder. I chose a protein powder that had 25 grams of protein with only 2 grams of carb per packet. 1.5 cups vanilla plant-based milk. I used Ripple, a non-dairy milk, because it contains 8 grams of protein and less than 1 gram of carb per 1 cup serving. Okay, so place all of the dry ingredients into a bowl that is large enough to hold 4 servings and stir. Next, pour the plant-based milk over the dry ingredients and stir again. Cover the bowl and place in your refrigerator overnight. The overnight oats will be ready to place in your cereal bowl the next morning. This recipe makes 4 servings, and each serving is 29 grams of carbohydrate, 4 grams of fiber, 14 grams of protein, 4 grams fat, and 211 calories. I love this recipe because it has a chocolate flavor and has a cold and chewy mouthfeel that's different than my cooked oatmeal. Let me know your favorite breakfast in the comments below. Until next time, cheers to your health.